back. I am Sonali Gupta और एक बार फिर से we would like to welcome all our viewers back to Miglani Realtors. Wishing you all a very happy new year. अब नए साल की शुरुआत तो नए फ्लोर के वॉक थ्रू के साथ होनी जरूरी है. Well, let's hope this is the year when you find the house of your dreams, and I am standing in one such luxurious builder floor. एक ऐसा floor that could turn into the house of your dreams. Well, spread across 640 square yards, 3 side open with park facing. This house has everything that you could desire. Come, let's take a look. This property has a modern facade and a double height entrance. Not only this, as you come into the floor, you're welcomed by a grand foyer. Just look around. The ceiling is a beautiful mix of both wooden. There's a lot of paneling work that has been done on the ceiling. The right kind of lights that set the tone of sophistication. Come on, let's move on. Now from the lobby, you enter into the living area. It's massive and it's spacious. Now the entire living area and the house has inbuilt VRV system. It keeps you cool during the summers and warm during winters. Not only this, the entire living area has glass windows right from the floor to the top of the ceiling, and the ceiling has been tastefully designed too. There are accent walls that give you the pop of elegance, color and class in the entire area where you're going to take care of your guests. Now while you're in the living area, it takes you right into the balcony, which is again a very spacious area and gives you the best view from the house. The living area has an attached powder room. The powder room is designed to impress your guests. With top-notch fittings, it has a super stylish basin, it has marble flooring till the roof, and of course the ceiling is all wooden. Top-notch fittings have been used through the entire kitchen. We have the calf chimney, we have the calf hob, and of course everything else is super high-end. Not only this, there is a built-in pantry for you to store all that you need, and there are many cabinets that have been installed to make sure that you have ample storage for the entire family. Now the entire cabinets have a soft close in it. Just look at that. Looks lovely. It's been designed beautifully. Not only this, we also have a space for a double door refrigerator, and there is an outside area which just adds to the functionality of the entire kitchen and makes it super easy for you to wash your dishes. This is an extra area in the balcony that you have. From the kitchen, let's head to the master bedroom. Now the master bedroom is designed for indulgence. Come on in. Spacious with its own private balcony. This is a room that boasts of luxury. Not only this, there is a walk-in closet and also has an opulent ensuite bathroom with its own rain shower and high-end fixtures. After the master bedroom, it's time for me to show you the second room. The floor has 4 bedrooms, and all I can say is that every room has been thoughtfully designed. Now with 640 square yards, you know that every room is going to be extremely spacious. Once again, this room as well has a running balcony. Now the colors make the room look even more bigger. What I love about is that all of the rooms have premium cabinets, walk-in closets and ensuite bathrooms that bring about the best features in the house. Now let's go in and take a look. As you walk in, you can see that there are closets on both sides of the washroom, and there is a special cabin that has been designed for shower, a beautifully designed cabinet. You have sink and some lovely basins that are super stylish. Let's walk into the third bedroom now. Right here. Come on in. Now every bedroom is as big as you possibly can imagine, but not only this, every bedroom also has huge glass windows that leave the room looking bright and extremely airy. Now this room as well has a running balcony, a beautifully designed wall which is for your bed, so your bed comes right here. There's nothing that you need to do, and again ensuite bathroom that has just the right fittings for you. Not just an ensuite bathroom, there is enough and more space for you to store all of your belongings. We have once again premium closets designed right here. There are marble going from the bottom to the ceiling of the washroom, and once again a high and premium company has been used. Rain shower for you and high-end fittings have been put everywhere. Now under the basin again a special closet has been given where you can store all of your toiletries. Very thoughtful, I must say. Let's go into the fourth bedroom now. What a massive house. Now this is the fourth and the final bedroom. Come on in. Now once again, elegantly designed, very interesting, has a running private balcony with it too, And as you enter in, there is a mirror wardrobe again inside for all of your guests to store their belongings. Again, best fittings have been used, the shower cabin has been designed, and there is a vanity that has been very, very tastefully done. Isn't that interesting? Now there's an additional balcony with the living area which gives you some extra space. Now this balcony can be designed as your own personal bar. You can put a yoga mat and make it your exercise area, because this area and this beautiful facade also gives you the privacy that you need and yet keeps the area airy and bright. This brings us to the end of the walkthrough of this builder floor. Once again, thank you so much for joining us. You have been watching videos from Miglani Realtors, the best name in real estate in the entire Gurgaon. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो do let us know what is it that you love about our videos. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. Our Instagram handle is right here. If you want to find the house of your dreams, your one call can make all the difference. Call us on the numbers mentioned below. Well, we're going to see you soon in our next real estate video. Till then, it's me, your host Sonali Gupta, signing off. Be good and do good, and have a happy new year.